Omo child. Ukoko Uyono Urhobo online classes. Uyono Ekurume. Teachings on family. Omo child. Omo child. Omo child. Ona omo where? Is this your child? 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 Hey, omo me, yes, it's my child. Hey, omo me, yes, it's my child. Hey, omo me, yes, it's my child. Omo where wa grogro? Your child is tall. Omo where wa grogro? Your child is tall. Omo where wa grogro? Omo where wa grogro? Your child is tall. Omo child. And what Urhobo twins is Egbaiva. That's what Urhobo twins. Agbaiva. That's what Urhobo twins, not Ejime. Okay, it's Agbaiva. Okay, Oyoma. Ayen grogro kero Ayen. They are tall like their father. Ayen grogro kero Ayen. They are tall like their father. Ayen grogro kero Ayen. They are tall like their father. Ayen grogro kero Ayen. They are tall like their father. Okay. Oniọvo were your sister's child. Oniọvo were your sister's child. Or oniọvo were your brother's child. You know, oniọvo stand for sibling, and sibling can be a male or female. Oyoma. Ugbeyan ọghọ. Your friend's child have respect. Ọghọ, respect, okay? Ugbeyan ọghọ. Your friend's child have respect. Remember what I told you in my past tutorial? That when two vowels are close to each other, you silent ones. For instance, you see ugbeyan ọghọ. Actually, the written Urhobo is ugbeyan ọghọ. That is correct. But in the spoken Urhobo, it sounds like ugbeyan ọghọ. You blend it with the o, because when two vowels are close to each other, you silent one. Ugbeyan ọghọ. Your friend's child have respect. Oyoma. And ugbeyan stand for friend. Ọghọ stand for respect. And omo child. Okay. So omo child. Ona omo where? Ona stand for this. Okay. Omo child. Okay. A omo me, yes means a. Okay. A omo me, yes, my child. Omo where wa grogro? Grogro means tall. Me wa grogro, I'm tall. Oyoma, omo child. Agbaiva twin. Okay, not Ejime. Agbaiva twins. That's Urhobo. Agbaiva. Okay. Ayen grogro kero Ayen. Ayen de. Grow also means tall. Kerẹ like. Okay. Ose, it means father. Okay. Oyoma. And oniọvo, sibling, just like I said before. That's all. Oniọvo were your sister child or your brother's child. Okay. Ugbeyan ọghọ, your friend's child have respect. You can like our Facebook page and join our Facebook group. Follow us on Instagram and on LinkedIn. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is free over there. I remain your humble presenter, Ekurume, Owumi, Oghenenyerhovwo. Wado Urhobo feyono mamo. Urhobo is worth learning. Biko weja judobo kimwawari. Let us speak Urhobo to our children. Urhobo is our language. You have to know that. And no slave masters will speak any African language to their children. So wise up. Wise up. Let us learn sense. Say now where is Urhobo working? Wado Urhobo feyono mamo. Urhobo is worth learning.